Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to pin a folder in a Windows 10 taskbar. I want to pin a folder at this taskbar. That is very easy and simple in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So let's do our video. First, we go to our folder. I go to the here File Explorer or this PC. I go to this PC. Double click on it. In this PC, I go to the document. My folder is in the document. If your folder is in C drive, D drive, E drive, go to your folder. I double click on my documents. In documents, I have one folder named June. I want to create a shortcut of this June. That is very easy. I right click on it and I go to the here create a shortcut. Click on the create a shortcut. Now shortcut is created of our June folder. Right click on it once again, and this time go to the properties, click on the properties, and here in target, go to the shortcut. In shortcut, we find target. In target, type this path. In front of this path, type explorer .exe, explorer or .exe, and then make space between the .exe and our path. Apply it, click on OK. And if you want to change the folder thumbnail, then right click on once again, click on the properties, then click on change icon and select any thumbnail or the icon that you want. I select this, click on OK, click on apply, click on OK. After that, we want to add this folder to the taskbar. That is very easy. Right click on it, go to the here we find pin to taskbar, click on pin to taskbar. And here we find our folder, our shortcut or the folder at our taskbar. Right click on here and our June folder or the folder is appear on our screen. So guys, this is the simplest way to pin a folder to taskbar in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.